and do all these crazy things where their arms are flying out everywhere. So it doesn't really look like a thread the needle anymore. It looks like another completely different move. The idea behind the thread the needle is that we want to look like we're going through the eye, just here, there's the eye, hello, of the needle, yeah? The way that we're going to learn this, breaking it down, breaking it down, breaking it down, is with really clear arm and hand positions. So, first things first, let's create a bit of a body pathway. We'll pop the hoops down. We're going to have one arm straight out in front, like this, and the other arm, make a fist actually, the other arm, fist into bicep. So we're like this. Then we're going to change. So we're going to slide them past each other and change. So the other arm is now straight, fist into bicep. And change, straighten and bend, and straighten and bend. Straighten and bend, and straighten and bend. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Now you're going to take one hoop in your dominant hand, straighten that arm, thumb up position, other hand, fist into bicep. From here, we go thumb down, so rotate the thumb over, switch. So now this arm's bent in, this one's straight, drop, catch, switch, thumb down, switch, drop, catch. Let's practice that little drop catch because that's often the bit that our brain gets a little bit confused with. So, thumb up, hoop out in front, other fist into the bicep, rotate thumbs down, switch which hand is straight, so my right arm is coming into bend and my left arm is now straight. So the right hand is thumb down underneath the left bicep. You're going to open your palm to the ground and then re-grip. So the hoop has come from underneath the arm, drop, catch. Let's practice that again. So thumb down, other arm on top, hand underneath the arm, drop, catch. Yeah? And we'll try that on the other side. So reaching out in front, thumb up, hoop to the outside, fist into bicep, thumb down, switch. So bring that hoop in under the other arm. We're in this position here. And we're going to go drop, catch. Yeah? Take that thumb down, push it across the body into a bent arm. Under the other arm, drop, catch. Thumb down, other arm on top, drop, catch. Thumb down, other arm on top, drop, catch. Taking both hoops now. One arm straight out in front, other arm bent in towards the bicep. Thumbs down, so this inside hoop rotates over the top of the bicep. Keep gripping the hoops. Right arm straight, left arm bent. Switch, so the left arm comes forward, the right arm comes back in, and we do a drop catch on both hands. Drop, catch. Don't change the arm position. Thumbs down, left arm is straight, right arm is bent. Switch, right arm is straight, left arm is bent. Drop, catch. Thumbs down. Bend the right arm, straighten the left arm. Drop, catch. Thumbs down. Switch, right arm straight, left arm bent. Drop, catch. So you can see my left arm's bent in, my right arm is straight. Thumbs down. Switch, now my left arm is straight, my right arm is bent. Drop, catch. Thumbs down. Switch, right arm straight, left arm bent. Drop, catch. Thumbs down. Switch, drop, catch. Thumbs down. Switch, drop, catch. Thumbs down. Switch, drop, catch. Keep it really slow until you start to get it, and then you can speed it up. Thumbs down, switch, drop, catch, thumbs down, switch, drop, catch, thumbs down, switch, drop, catch. So you actually end up dropping a tiny bit earlier as you come into this motion. Check that you're not, here's what we want to avoid, is this like crossing in and out. You also want to avoid this like Circling the arms out too far from each other, feeling, yeah? We want to keep the arms nice and close to each other, and it's really reaching forward, 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 forward. You can keep re-gripping the hoop after each beat if you need to. And then eventually what we'll work towards is completely open hand. Reach, 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 reach. From the side it looks like this. Reach, 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 reach. So I just demo it on another angle so you can see what's happening. Straight and bend. Straight and bend, thumbs down. Switch, straight and bend, drop. Keep reaching forward, keeping the hands close to the arm. Close in, close in, close in. And that is what we need to do to learn a super clean thread the needle, reaching forward and forward and forward and forward. I would so love to hear how you go. Please do drop any questions or sticky bits or things you're not sure about in the comments below. I am going to be making more Twins Tech tutorials, so make sure that you click subscribe so you're notified about all of the things, and keep on practicing. Get that clarity and integrity of the lines and the movement. Feel the beat.